Welcome to Buysellvouchers. In this video, we will guide you through the process of purchasing Eneba gift cards. Let's begin. Once you log into the Buysellvouchers website, you can either use the search function to find your desired product or navigate through the menu bar. For instance, if you click on Games in the menu, you will find a comprehensive list of available niches on our site. As for this demonstration, click on Eneba. You can see various Eneba products listed, each offered by different sellers. Take your time to choose the specific Eneba gift card product that suits your preferences. Once you've made your selection, click on it to access the product page. On the product page, you will find detailed information such as product description, reviews, pricing, and seller information. To proceed with the purchase, click on the Buy Now button. Next, select your preferred payment method and click Buy. Now, please be patient for a moment as your order is processed. Within the few moments, the seller will send you gift card code. Congratulations, you have successfully acquired Eneba gift cards through Buysellvouchers. Thank you for choosing Buysellvouchers.